Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Spiderman Toddler Blanket on the market. If you're searching for a cozy, stylish, and officially licensed Spiderman blanket for your little superhero, you've come to the right place. This Northwest Spiderman Kids Bed Silk Throw Blanket measures 40 by 50 inches, making it a perfect size for toddlers and young kids. It's crafted from 100% high-quality polyester with a soft silk touch finish that feels luxurious against the skin. This means it's not only comfortable but also keeps your child warm and cozy during chilly evenings or naps. One of the standout features of this blanket is its detailed design. The vibrant blue color and bold Spiderman graphics add a splash of fun to any kid's room or play area. The decorative binding around all edges enhances durability, ensuring that this blanket can withstand daily use and remain looking fresh for years. Designed and manufactured with care in the USA, this throw blanket balances quality and style. It's light enough to carry around, making it great for car rides, story time, or snuggling on the couch. And because it's machine washable, parents will appreciate how easy it is to keep clean. Just wash cold on a delicate cycle. With mild detergent, tumble dry on gentle, and it's ready for the next adventure. No ironing needed. For parents concerned about authenticity, this blanket is officially licensed, guaranteeing you're getting a genuine Spiderman product. It's a fantastic addition to any young fan's collection, blending the magic of their favorite superhero with everyday comfort. The blanket is also thoughtfully designed for children ages 3 and up, offering both safety and practicality. At just under 10 ounces, it's lightweight but still substantial enough to provide warmth and security to your child. In summary, the Northwest Spiderman Kids Bed Silk Throw Blanket offers a wonderful combination of softness, durability, and vibrant style. Whether for bedtime, travel, or just a cozy cuddle buddy, this blanket checks all the boxes for young Spiderman fans and their families. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for the best toddler blanket with a Spiderman theme, this one deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.